Hey students, welcome to your weekly art video for this week. This week, our learning objective is students will identify and understand the elements of art, including line, shape, color, texture, form, space, and value as the fundamentals of art in personal artwork. You have your first test due on Thursday. It is the 1.09 test. So where do you find it? If you go to the home page of the art website, art class, and then click over here on to do, you should see right under to do 1.09 test due this week. When you click on that, it'll take you to the calendar. You can come over here and you can click on the unit test from right here and take it. You'll also see if you access the test through modules, you'll see that there are lots of things to help you study. We have flashcards, we have study notes, we've got study notes in Spanish. So be sure that you access those and do some studying before you take the test. The test is set to 2 attempts. So the first thing that I want you to do before you take the test is I want you to go and do this Kahoot. That will help you study and get everything fresh in your mind before you take the test. So use the QR code on the screen, or you can find the link to the Kahoot in the announcements section of the calendar for this week. And then you choose which Kahoot that you want to do, and that can help you study for the test. You know which ones, they've got all those different games that you can play to do the review. So just choose the one that you like the best and go ahead and get your review done. Now, if you want to prepare even more, you can use the QR code here. It will take you to the Quizlet flashcards. You can also play games there to help you review for the test. You can use the QR code, or you can also use the link in the announcements. So as an extra, just an enrichment thing for us to do, I want you to watch this video on artist Sol LeWitt. If you if you scan the QR code, also the link is in the announcements. You can see the video and see about his artwork. The video actually shows one of his artworks being created. What's interesting about Sol LeWitt is that he sends the instructions and the museum actually puts the artwork together. So the artwork is actually different every time that it's shown. So here, let me just read this to you. Each time it's in an exhibition, Sol LeWitt's drawings are made right on the wall. The people drawing them use a set of instructions written by the artist. A wall drawing like this one looks a little bit different every time it's created. At the end of an exhibition, the wall drawing is painted over and the instructions are stored until the next time the drawing is made. So it's kind of like playing the game telephone. When somebody says something, they say it to the next person, they say it, and then when you get to the end of the game, it's something completely different. Well, everybody reads directions differently. So that's the reason that the artwork looks a little bit different every time that it's shown. So we are going to create our own drawing from a set of Sol LeWitt instructions. So if you will grab a paper and a pen or a pencil, and then if you've got a ruler or a straight edge, that would be great. If you don't have it, that's okay too. So if you'll grab those items, you can pause this video if you need to. And then I'll go ahead and give you some instructions. Also, if you want to do this with your family members, you can scan the QR code right here. Okay, so the first thing that I want you to do is draw 24 tiny circles anywhere on your piece of paper. And you can go ahead and pause this while you do it. Next, I want you to connect 12 of the circles with straight lines. You pick which circles. And you can pause this video while you do it. Next, I want you to connect 12 of the circles with wavy lines. Again, you pick the circles and pause this video while you do it. So the outcomes being different is what SoloWit found so interesting. What would happen if you asked someone else in your family to follow the same instructions and make another drawing? Do you think it would be different than your drawing? So if you would like to take a picture of how your drawing turned out so that we can compare them with other students, you can post it to the Padlet, the high school art Padlet, and we will put the link in the announcements so that you can do that. Okay, if you're looking for some more fun things to do, you can go to this website, which enables you to create a bunch of different patterns. You can also access it from this QR code. And if you would like to work on some of your shading techniques, you can watch this YouTube video and work on some of your shading. Okay, don't forget to take your test. It's due on Thursday. If you have any questions, get in touch with your teacher. Y'all have a great week.